Happy Saturday. We're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. What store was this? Oh, this store is not close to home, so that means it was good. I hope you enjoyed the irrelevant part that I'm putting in of making my coffee. I went to go get my creamer and it was expired. Going for a rainbow theme because I have a new kit that's out. It's limited edition. It's not gonna come back. So if you definitely want one, grab one now. My members have already been notified of it. So it is a Wizard of Oz over the rainbow theme. I've been wanting to do this kit for like a year and a half now. Finally got to it. So I'm super excited. And I have sourced, some of the items are from the 80s. So they're really rare and really cute, and I hope you guys love the Wizard of Oz theme junk journal kit. And yeah, so anyways, cheers to Over the Rainbow. Now I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from this Dollar Tree. I finally found my little grape drink. If you know, I was recently in Florida, so I also take you guys to other states, and I saw this while I was in Florida and I was like, I can't pack that with me. So I was so excited that I found it at home. I just have a thing for grapes. I think they're the cutest little fruit. That and bananas, like they look the cutest to me. What'd you just get? No, don't eat that. Loki wants to eat paper now. Like he just wants cardboard and paper. You saying hi to the ladies? Yeah, isn't he so cute? His ears are getting better. He went to the dermatologist and he's on some medication. But anyways, I just absolutely love this little drink container. I don't know, y'all, if it's BPA free or anything. I'm guessing this is like a raspberry, or do you think this is supposed to be a strawberry? Comment, let me know what you think that's supposed to be. I also picked up some new novelty pens. I mean, I'm officially a Dollar Tree pen collector at this point. These are actually really darling. I love the pearl detail on top with the metallic base. So a gold, a fuchsia, a teal, and a silver. Yeah, love those. And then I found these extra like stain wipes to go. I actually found this in the checkout aisle, so definitely look there. But like, I don't know, 6 individually packed towelettes in a tropical passion scent. So I'm definitely going to use these for traveling, but here's what the little wipes look like. Love the rainbow on it. I think that's actually really, really cute. So I think this would be really fun for like maybe a Mother's Day addition to a gift basket for Mother's Day. Today I picked up some new paper plates. These were just so fun. The pretty in pink is actually really, really cute. I hope Dollar Tree takes this and like runs with it, because obviously like we all love the movie. But I love how cute the flamingo is. He's very simple. I think this is very well drawn and fonted out. I think Dollar Tree can really mess things up like that sometimes. I think they take it too far or just kind of like looks cheap. But I think this looks really nice. Like you could pick it up at Hobby Lobby. And then this one is Berry Sweet Summer. Even though this one's busier, again, I think they nailed it with just the overall illustration and font. I think that's cute. Listen, I'm not going to bore you, but I am going to show you. Okay. Everything that I buy from Dollar Tree, you will see. Like, there's never a reason unless like I've already unpacked it because I've had the haul for a while and there's like food. Okay. Then I found these 2 new sprays by Dermasil. I'm so excited. I did hit a jackpot on beauty products from the store. This is a face and body spray with calendula and honey. I know I'm not saying that right. Aloe and lavender. So it's just like a little soothing, nourishing face and body spray. Then I found these 2. Hello. Who are they trying to dupe though? This matches that skincare set that I hauled the other day. I know that's not saying very freaking much. This is a face and body spray as well in a juicy watermelon scent. Glow Queen. And then this is also Glow Queen Happy Skin, Healthy Skin. It says face and body, and this is a coconut crush. So I'm excited to like use this. So, ooh, that actually smells actually delectable. All right, then I picked up this little classroom learning games. I was a teacher in another life. We all know that. What grade? I really don't know. I feel like I was probably like somewhere between kindergarten and third grade. But look how cute these are. I have no idea what it actually is. I'm assuming that you remove these little things and then you have to use the tweezers to put the pom-poms in. It's like the little holes. I'm thinking that's what you do. So I thought that was really cute. Of course, I'm gonna junk journal with mine. And then I had to pick up my favorite socks of all time. I'm literally wearing them like right now. Okay, I'm wearing the longer ones and I really love them. I love the bright white of them. And then I also love the ankle version. These are actually the ones I've been trying to hunt down more so than the longer ones. Oh, here's the matching napkin set to the Berry Sweet. I have not found the pretty in pink napkin set. So let me know what's out there with pretty in pink. Then I found these great, if you're just gotta put together a Mother's Day gift basket for tomorrow. These are so good. Like, this is what I would want in my basket. Y'all, I can't scream louder at my family circle. I'm like, you know, in my videos, hey, I love Dollar Tree gift baskets. Anywho, exfoliating stretch cloth. Look how great these are. And then you can like stretch it. This I'm definitely going to love so I can like get my back and stuff. And then you've got the 3 colors if you want to do, you know, a certain color palette. Then I got some masks. I'm very excited for these, a brightening under eye mask. And then I found this lavender and chamomile, beautiful packaging, great for Mother's Day. Then I got this lemon and mint clay mask. The masks are getting better and better and it's like leaving me shook. Okay, then I found these 2 shaving creams by Spa Luxury. I mean, look at the packaging again. Like if you were to do like a green theme for mom, you know what I'm saying? Like that would be really cute. You could do a lavender. Like there's just so much that you can do. So this one is oatmeal and this one is cashmere vanilla. So they just look really rich for a shaving cream. I can't wait to try them. Okay, then in our last bag, but she is loaded, I spent $66.50. It would have been cheaper if everything had been $1, but we won't get nasty today. Okay. All right. Then I found a handheld scalp massager. Gorgeous, beautiful, love it. You could even like get it now and maybe do for Father's Day. I really like the chicness of how that looks, but also great for Mother's Day or just like for yourself. Okay. Then I found these 2. Honestly, I just grabbed them. I don't even know like, oh, a callus remover gel and a soothing foot cream. So a little like foot duo. Look at Dollar Tree go. Spa Centrals. They are so good, you guys. They're so good. Okay, then I picked up this little set. I feel like they gave us like hand and foot masks with this by Spa Luxury. So we've got a pineapple sunset. That's an interesting description for a scent, and passion fruit escape. So these are just body lotions with ultimate moisture, it says. All right, then I picked up these little lip glazes. I already hauled them. I'm pretty sure I got them when I was in Florida, but I just wanted another set. I think these are so cute, and I just found myself grabbing these again. So this is by Beauty Intuition. They're also really amazing. This is a high shine glow lip glaze. I think the applicator on these is probably, or like the way that they package this lip gloss, lip glaze, I think it's just so unique, and I just love unique stuff. I did not expect it to be like that. Obviously it's like a lip glaze, so it's gonna be like a little shine, like topper. Does taste like vanilla, which is really nice. Wow, I can't wait to try these colors because I bet this Cherry Kiss will give like a really natural glow. Obviously, I just applied that. Yep, there's a tint. Wait, First of all, this tastes like a red Starburst, which I personally love. I know it's not the favorite. It tastes so good. And it is natural. Yep. Be prepared to see 10 more of these in future hauls. Okay, then I picked up this La Mercerie. I don't even, Le Mercerie. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is a pore diffusing makeup primer. Diffusing. This is a pore diffusion makeup primer. I mean, we don't really see primers that often from Dollar Tree, so I'm excited to try that. Then here's another lipstick duo that just got dropped by Be Pure. We love Be Pure. These are the two colors that I found. I can't wait to try them. This is more of like Micah's color palette, and this is more of my color palette. Random information. Then I found this moisturizing lip balm. This is definitely a new product as well, at least in from what I've been seeing. And then we have a little trio set, perfect for Mother's Day. So this is going to be green tea and fig. And so you're going to get a body wash in this beautiful bottle. And then you're going to get bath salts. Stunning by Global Beauty Care. I've been telling y'all about Global Beauty Care, and then this is an exfoliating body scrub. Okay, love that. And then if you're doing more of a pink theme for Mother's Day, I found a strawberry. This is strawberry peach. This is my personal favorite little set, but as you can tell, I don't have the bath salts to this. And then I don't know if this was supposed to come with a shower balm. Let me know if it is. This is how I found the set. So we've got a body wash. I mean, look at this packaging. I think it's just so darling. Never seen strawberry and peach combined together at Dollar Tree, so I love that. And then we've got the body scrub, and then this is the in shower balm. What is a balm supposed to be? Like in the shower, like I don't get it. But it is done by the Spothecary, so we know it's top notch. And that is my $66.50 Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know. Happy Mother's Day. And let me know what you guys are going to be doing tomorrow. Micah and I, my mom, we're going to just have like coffee, maybe do like a Target run. I think we're going to probably either go for a walk or play some games. So we're keeping it pretty simple. But anyways, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.